Hey everyone, I'm back. Today, we're taking on a fun new challenge. A Lego car climbing a ramp coated with weird liquids. Can our car conquer all the obstacles? Let's get started. Build the car with me. All done. Let's check how sturdy the ramp is first. Level 1. I'll spray a little soap on the ramp. Easy pass. Level 2. Now, I'll sprinkle some flour over the soap layer. Wow! Car zooms like a rocket. Level 3. Let's try some shaving foam. Go! Oh no, it slid off. Ugh, still can't make it. Oh man, 4 tries, 4 fails. Next, I'll add a bit of motorcycle oil. This one's tricky. Wow, it made it. Second try, fail. Ah, back on track. Now, let's increase the slope. First, steep angle. Success! Let's go even higher. Oops, slipped. Oh, nailed it. Time for the steepest slope. Oh no, challenge failed. Hey everyone, I'm back. Today, we're taking on an extremely fun challenge, and it might get a little messy. We're putting Lego cars through a slime reservoir. Which one will make it through? Let's find out right now. First up, let's build the crusher. Connect the 2 main motors. Attach 4 massive wheels. Here's the control unit. Let's go! The car enters the slime pit. Whoa! It cruises to the finish line easily. Let's rewatch that in slow motion. The second is the glider. It has 2 sliding plates. Add some connector axles. Here's the chain link for power transmission. And of course, we can't forget the motor. Install the protective plates for the chain. Lastly, add the control unit. All right, let's run it. It's moving pretty slow, and it flips over. You can check out another angle here. So that's a fail for the glider. Next, we have the twister. First, link 2 motors together. The twister has 4 Lego gear wheels. Plus a control unit. Go! This thing is fast. And it breezes through the challenge. Now, introducing the blocker. Secure the 2 main motors. Next, install the load-bearing frame. Then, add the wheels. This one has 8 small wheels. Throw in a chain link. Finally, the control unit. Into the slime pit it goes. It's veering off course. Wait, it's correcting itself. Can it make it? Yes, the blocker succeeds. Last contender today, the stalker. Attach the motor first. Assemble the car's body pieces. Connect the body to the sliding plates. Add the sliding plates. Toss in the control unit and it's ready. Hit the track. The sliding plate flipped. It's still moving, but drifting off course. Not looking good. And yep, just like we thought, the stalker fails. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's challenge is Lego Train versus Obstacle Course. Can it destroy through everything in its path? Let's find out. To kick things off, let's build this Lego train together. Done. Time to battle some obstacles. First wall up ahead. The train plows right through it, cracks everywhere. Next target, a minifigure. Knocked clear off the tracks. Let's try 3 more figures. Just as expected, they go flying too. This time, I'll triple the number. Still no match for the train. Gotta multiply the figures by 5. Whoa! Only half went down. The train failed this round. I'll upgrade it with some new parts to make it even tougher. Almost done with the key modifications. And the highlight, 2 rotating saw blades. Here's the protective frame for the saws. All set. Oh, the train's stuck. The saws must be too heavy. I'll add another motor for more power. Swap in new tracks too. Let's roll. Destruction mode activated. Total domination. Every minifigure in its path gets wrecked. Check out this epic victory moment. New obstacle. I'll set up 2 walls on either side of the track. Approaching slowly. Closing in on the walls. The saw blades strike. The wall is super sturdy. It's not falling down. Time to swap the saws for scissor-style pushers. Assembly complete. Charge. The scissor arms are about to unleash their power. Yes, both walls toppled. Minifigures are crushed underneath. Final challenge, destroying long-range targets. Game on! Oh no, the scissor arms are too short to reach. Gotta redesign the train. Now installing a long-range targeting gun. Reattaching it to the front. Here we go. Locking onto targets. Missed. Gotta adjust the aim. Direct hit. Next target, bring it on. Missed again. Target hit. Keep the destruction coming. 3 figures down for the count. These two are a bit tricky to hit. So many near misses. Whoa, another minifigure KO'd. Final target. Flawless victory! Congrats to our Lego train for smashing every single obstacle. Hey everyone, today we're tackling an epic challenge. A Lego car transporting cargo across a table gap. Can it make it? Let's find out. Let's build this car. Here's the Lego claw arm. Just add the motor and control unit, and we're good to go. First gap, 5 centimeters. The claw arm just grabbed the Lego cargo. Made it to the other side. The Lego cargo's been delivered. Just a little push, and it's done. Next level, 10 centimeter gap. Got a hold of the Lego block. Time to carry it across. Oh, the cargo's teetering on the edge. Now we're in a real dilemma. The car reverses, and the cargo falls. Challenge failed. We need to extend the car's length. Let's go. Grabbing the cargo. Will it make it? Placing it down. Success! It's safely on the table. Next up, 20 centimeters. That's a huge gap. Whoops, the Lego car just plunged off the table. Gotta tweak the design. Check out this super long claw arm. Even has dual battery packs. Super nimble. Cleared the gap. The cargo landed safely. Now, double the challenge, 40 centimeter gap. This is huge. Can it successfully deliver the cargo? No, the car fell in again. Back to the drawing board. Adding a rack and pinion rail. This is the support frame for the gantry. And here's the guide rail. The Lego car will slide back and forth on this. The Lego gantry is complete. Let's roll. The car is slowly lifting the cargo. Pushing the guide rail forward to bridge the gap. Time to move the cargo across. Gotta find the perfect spot so the gantry doesn't slip off the other table. Bumped the edge. Adding 2 extra arms for balance. Backing up for a running start. Yes, success! Let's conquer this challenge one more time. That was intense. Precision driving skills are key. Made it to the finish line, and the Lego car just nailed the 40-centimeter gap delivery. Congrats!